Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I'm going to show y'all something that is in no way, shape, or form new, but it's kind of in an interesting package. And what this is, aside from a little metal box with the Victorinox logo on it, it's the Victorinox Money Clip and Fisher Bullet Space Pen like gift set. And I just thought it was kind of an interesting thing that they ended up packaging these together at some point. So let me zoom out a teeny bit and we'll open this up and take a look. And as you can see, it's a little metal like gift case, and you just open it up, and inside there's a Victorinox money clip, which, I mean, it's not... the Victorinox money clip just has the scissors, and it has the small knife blade and the nail file. Now this is I want to say it's a 74 millimeter. I think it's 74 millimeter for this one. Let's see. So it's a little bigger than the classics. Yeah, it's 74 millimeters. It's bigger than the classics. It's the size of like the executive, that kind of thing. So it's a little bit bigger than normal, but you know, it's got the aluminum scales. And the other thing is, you get a bullet space pen. Assuming I can get it out, you get a bullet space pen, which is the classic pen that everyone knows about. And anyway, I just thought it was kind of nifty that there is a gift set, or there was a gift set out there that combined arguably two of the best things: a Victorinox Swiss Army knife in money clip form, and a Fisher space pen, a bullet space pen. Yeah. So, anyway, and you get them in a nifty case with a big old Victorinox logo on it. Now, I do not believe these are currently available for sale, but if you check around on eBay or online, you can find them there sometimes. Now, one thing I did do, if you're interested, I included a link to the Victorinox money clip and the Fisher Bullet Space Pen, both of which are very much available on their own. So if you need a money clip, or if you need a bullet space pen, there's links for those in the description. Anyway, let me know what you think. Is this a gift set that needs to be around all the time? It's kind of pretty looking. And I mean, I like the case. It's kind of a stylish looking case. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if there's anything that you think I should take a look at, or any cool Swiss Army knives or pens or gadgets or whatever, let me know in the comments. If you've enjoyed this little video, short though it may have been, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.